Hey folks, it's me. I told you that I would be doing something on dental implant. Okay, so I pulled my tooth out by accident. I actually had a cap on this particular tooth, and I pulled it out trying to get something out of my tooth that I thought was stuck. And so I yanked and yanked on this dental floss. I was on my way to Philadelphia to do a talk show. This is how I remember. And I yanked it so hard, it hit up against the sink, hit the toilet, and then landed in the bathtub. And so I'm on my way on the plane with no tooth in my mouth. So it took me a while to actually get the implant because my dentist told me, well, we can cover it this last time, but next time it's going to be implant or whatever you decide. So when I actually went back to Philadelphia like a year or two ago, and in the same area, a friend of mine gave me some taffy, and that pulled out the what is it? Well, I can't think of what it's called. The thing that you put the cap. Okay. So when the cap came off, and then it was time to get the implant. I priced the implants, and like a lot of folks probably said, "Oh, that's too much money. I don't want to pay that money." And so I waited a while, and I said, "Okay, I'm going to do it." Here's the thing: it wasn't as much as I thought. Okay, so the actual my dentist sent me to the orthodontist. Is that the right? Okay, and he prepared my tooth for, I think it's like a little straw. The implant, I thought the implant was a tooth, but it's like a little straw like thing that goes up there. But luckily, he had to see if I had enough bone left to connect it or whatever it was. So don't wait too long. And so after that, I had to wait like 3 more months. And then when everything was okay, he screwed something up there. I think that may have been the implant. Okay, so then I had to go back to the dentist to get the tooth put on. And it was the end of the year. So now we're talking about cost. The end of the year is relevant to this, relative. So it cost the orthodontist, I had to pay him $1,500 up front. All right. But I got a reimbursement because my insurance covered it. I thought maybe because it was cosmetic that would be a problem, but it wasn't. So I paid him $1,500. I got $800 back. It was time to get the tooth put on, and my dentist said, "Well, you're at your deductible. Why don't you wait until January, and then you're in a whole new year?" I was like, "You ain't gotta tell me twice." And so that was maybe another 1,200, but I got a reimbursement. So I'm thinking the total thing for the tooth may have cost me out of pocket $1,300, and that's not bad. But if you wait too long, because I waited long, I noticed my gum was starting to recede. So from time to time, I feel food getting up in there. So the dentist, when I went in, she put the tooth up there. They measured it for with the little imprint through the little clay thing to get the right shape. The first one that came back wasn't right. The second one, she had to shape it up a little bit. But yeah, it was worth getting it done. I was 61, 60 at the time, and I just wasn't ready to be walking around without that tooth in my mouth. You could see it if I smiled hard, because again, it's right over here, and you pick out, what color you think is going to match your tooth. But yeah, it was worth it. It was a part of what I called my midlife maintenance, and a part of that was getting that tooth fixed. Would I do it again? Yes, I would do it again. I would. So if you have any more questions, like I'm not a dentist, I'm trying to memorize exactly what happened. It was a long process. I know you go on television and you see where they're doing it in one day. And I asked my dentist, I said, well, I see people getting their done in one day. He said, no. He said, I think you need the process of healing, and then we put it up in there and all that other stuff. But of course, you could always Google it. But was it worth it to me? Yeah. When I think of how many times I go to a restaurant, how many times I've gotten my eyebrows and, hundreds of dollars for other things that don't last as long. Oh, it's supposed to last a very long time. Okay? It's supposed to last a very long time. And For me, yeah, it was worth it because, like I said, I got my friend at the time. She was going to get hers, but her insurance didn't cover it, and mine did, and it was certainly worth it. Oh, does it hurt? I don't remember it hurting at all, and I'm sensitive to pain. I just don't recall thinking, "Oh boy, does that hurt?" I guess it may have been something involved with my gums that make it, but no, I just don't recall that being an issue. Okay, so I hope that covers everything, covers the cost. I don't really talk about money on social media, but people want to know that part. I mean, what can they expect? It depends on your insurance. I knew someone else who was not required to put up front. They just were billed directly to the insurance. This person for the orthodontist, no, I paid up front and got reimbursed quite quickly. So call your insurance company to find out. I said, there it is, right there on the side of my mouth. It wasn't really close to the front, but enough where if I smiled hard, people can see it. It doesn't, I can barely feel it. I mean, I don't know that it's there. I mean, you know, and it's been maybe a year and a half to two. Okay. So leave your questions or comments, and that's the part of my midlife maintenance. So stay tuned. I also had some moles removed. We can talk about that in the next one. Yeah, that was interesting. Okay, ladies, just go out there and be who you're meant to be. And if it means getting your tooth fixed, girl, go for it.